know say we dey form o, but you sure say we fit beat Liverpool for Anfield?
You dey fear? You don't see wetin West Ham do like for their last match? We go beat them na.
Beat who? You think na mouth them they carry big teams like Liverpool?
Lakax, what did they worry yourself? We go beat them, Joe. Why they try kill our morale?
Not be me go kill your morale. By the time Liverpool finish with you, you go know say no be only morale them they carry win match.
So if they try talk say we go lose the match.
We go lose that match now. That one na question. Lacazette, carry your car come meet me for office. Today, you go become real gunner.
Oh my God.
Oga Mario Hansari, una welcome.
Kobala.
Thank you, my brother. But I beg, do make I comot for here. Headache wan scatter my head as I dey talk to you.
Hey, yeah, sorry, sir.
God bless that headache.
God punish you.
Oga Sari, before I jump into the next fixtures, I won't ask. You sabi Oga Conte where?
See that question now. That guy na my brother from another mother na.
Where you think saying fit finish with Tottenham this season?
My guy go finish top 4. That one na short thing.
How? Who got drop for am?
Who got drop no consign me. You know who Conte be?
Another mumu Italian gangster.
Exactly. Except the mumu part. That guy no one know whether you get a lolo for your team or abi you carry Champions League last season. He go drop you.
So you dey try tell me say as them dey ninth for table now, them go finish fourth?
That Toko guy no do one with Chelsea.
I no understand all this one where they talk here. Mind you, West Ham, Arsenal, all of them they try enter top 4. For your tiny brain, you think say na Tottenham go come enter?
Out of all the teams where you call now, na only West Ham fit give Conte wahala. The rest na close.
Okay nah.
Oga Mourinho, league leaders go carry their kaya go King Power Stadium on Saturday. With the current form of Leicester City, you feel say them go fit upset the result of that game?
I wish they make them upset them like they do Man U. But as Chelsea stingy well for back, upset go hard.
So what thing they try talk now?
Chelsea go win, but I pray make them lose.
This guy, it be like say this your headache that really affect you.
Oga Sari, later that Saturday, Arsenal wey dey unbeaten in 10 games go waka go Anfield. People dey talk say they are unbeaten na wash. Say na mumu teams dem don dey play since. Wetin you get to talk about them?
Not be lying na. The unbeaten long na wash. Made in China unbeaten. I expect something huge from Liverpool on Saturday.
Sometimes I dey wonder why Kubala dey carry you come here. One single analytical ability you no get. You sabi wetin dem dey call momentum?
See, Molenho, we not dey do phases for here o. Thunder fire momentum. Arsenal must collect. That their keeper Ramsdale, aka relegation guy, go collect.
Arsenal go win that match.
Where are your tentacles there?
Which one be tentacles?
No, nah. Since now you be octopus, I want to see your tentacles.
No worry. After the match, you go see am. As you dey laugh, make you no forget to press that like button and share the video as e dey hot.
As wetting the hot.
I no get time for you.
Wait, where you dey go? You never tell the people wey never subscribe, say make them subscribe o. If your waka finish, shebi you go come meet me for Stadio Olimpico. We go kill ourselves for there.